In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off notifications on Vinted so you're not constantly interrupted by alerts. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to go to your profile, which can be found on the top right corner. Here, scroll down until you find Settings, and I want you to click on it. On the Settings tab, I want you to click the Notifications. Here, you will see different notification options such as email notifications, marketing communications, messages, order updates, and promotions. Now, all I have to do is super simple: toggle off the notifications you no longer want to receive. Okay? As you can see, you can customize all of these. And if you want to turn off all of the notifications at once, just click this option here, slide it off, going to the left so you can turn off all the notifications at one time. It's super simple. Now your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to confirm anything, and you can always come back and turn the notifications back on anytime. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.